Hey, it's Mike with Big T LLC. We're going to do a small demonstration on how to operate the latest version of the STU 100. Take your parts out of your box. We have a different way of cleaning them than a lot of people. A lot of people use the stirrer pads that come from pharmacies, or you can buy them at Revco. So we don't use that. We use a much larger isopropyl alcohol pad. We can clean in one time with that. It only takes one pad. Before you do it, you've got to put on gloves, and you have to change gloves in between different articles that you vacuum. First thing I'm going to clean is the pad holder. Just make sure you clean both sides. Then I'm going to clean the machine, making sure to wipe all top surfaces. Let them dry for a minute. This vacuum motor has two nubs on it. One is black, one is pink. The pink one allows you to remove it. The black one needs to be seated in first. Push hard because there's a new O-ring in it, so the O-ring hasn't been worked in yet. Once you get that done, you want to open up a 5x9 surgical pad. You do not want the one that says non-stick. The one with the non-stick will not allow the air to flow through it. We normally open it up, especially if we're doing something on a crime scene, just like it folds facing up. That way, if you collect anything, you're going to fold it back onto itself and preserve that stuff you collect. The pad holder goes in so that you don't start vacuuming something and then drop your pad on the ground. Next, you'll undo your C-Dog plug, plug it into your 12-volt outlet, and you're going to say piece of evidence that somebody's touched. You're going to hold it about an inch away from it, and you're going to vacuum for about 1 minute. Okay, I'm not going to stand here and make you do this for a minute. So after you do that, you remove the pad holder, place it back in your box so you don't drive off and leave it on the ground. Fold your pad up on itself. We store our pads, and a lot of people do, in a freezer weight bag that then gets sealed. Press the air out, and we fold it up and put it in another bag, and we label both bags. Some people are using the same method that the FBI uses. They're using glass jars with Teflon lids. That's acceptable too. It just depends on what your storage situation is. So then I take everything back apart, back in the box so no parts are left wherever it is you're working. Take your evidence. Before we close it up, I want you to see in the bottom of the box is a 12-volt battery. That battery makes this self-contained so you can take it anywhere. The charger for this is already attached. All you have to do is plug it into a wall socket. On the back it has a mode button. That is for the different types of batteries. These batteries that we have in here are AGM batteries. So just make sure you press and hold your mode button till it lights up, press it till it gets to AGM, and then charge it. If you put a lithium battery in there, there's a lithium battery mode too. Just make sure you switch it after you change batteries. That's all there is to it.